Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add extensions into your Squarespace website. So first things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account and pick the website that we want to really work on. So I want to go with the first one, the first website. So I'm going to go with go to website, and it will take me into the editor where all the magic happens. Right now, we want to focus on left sidebar and hit the settings option. In here, yet again, on the left sidebar, we have extensions. So we are at the extensions menu, and really now we can pick from all the extensions that are pre-made with Squarespace. So obviously, if you need an accounting software or accounting extension, you have a QuickBooks. If you need sales tax calculator, there's TaxJar, there is ShipStation, Shippo, EasyShip. So all the extension that can help you basically ship your products worldwide. LiveChat, Judge.me, and many more. Also, you can use a third party like Zapier, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.